How to find Synchrony credit card account portal using Find Account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use to find the Find account option. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to synchrony.com and looking out for the official site and click on the sign in option in the top right corner usually. Once we click on it, we'll be headed towards the next piece. Now what we can do is we can look out for a section called Find Account, something like that. So go ahead and select it. Otherwise, instead of that, sometimes you will be getting shown options such as register for online access or need help logging in. So you just need to click on that option and you can start locating your account. So you can click on register for online access and you can provide in your details. So you will need to provide in your details. First of all, provide in the social security number and then the date of birth. After that, click on continue and that will help Synchrony Bank identify your account. After that is done, you can just go and select your credit card account. If you have multiple accounts, you can choose the correct one and you will be directed to the correct account portal like Amazon, Lowe's, PayPal, etc. And if you do not have an account yet, even you can create up a new username and password, and if already registered, you can proceed to login. And that's it. If you can't find your account, you can double check your details, try using your card number instead of the account number, and you can also contact customer support if nothing shows up. And that's it for now. You can just go and follow this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.